looks. I'm here to show you guys what you've not seen before. Hi people of the interweb, welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. You went to the channel. Hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, beauty, lifestyle, productivity with a sprinkle of everything else in between. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you love those kinds of videos. Guys, subscription is free. I don't know why you're not subscribing. You watch and you go. You watch and you go. Subscribe before you go, okay? And in today's video, guys, we're talking about, can you see? Braids, how to grow your hair with braids, how to retain length with braids, products you need when you get braids, everything braids, okay? So without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. So I have to switch it off to like center, particularly the center part is more my style. You guys know I love a good center part. Even though I have the face for any of the styles, center side, I always serve angles, I always serve looks. But you guys already know that I have given it all on the internet, guys. I have given you guys braids for my past 3 years of being on YouTube. I have given you guys yarn braids, canecalon braids, how to braid fussy hair, Brazilian braids, braid retention tips, how to grow your hair with yarn braids, how to grow your hair with Brazilian braids. I have given you guys braids in every freaking dimension, but I have not brought to you guys knotless braids. This is my first time of doing knotless braids on this page, on this my channel, okay? So I'm going to share with you guys 5 products you need. Just five, maroon, you say you need for you to grow your hair with braids. Okay, so let's start off with number 1, guys. The first thing you need for braids, Brazilian braids, natural hair braids, knotless braids, especially knotless braids. If you intend on keeping the styling for it, well, I intend on having this for 3 months. Don't look at me funny. Maybe it's not a joke. I can't get my hair done for 11 hours and carry it for 2 months or 1 month. 3 months at least. And the vlog about getting the hair done, check it linked here. The first thing you need, guys, is an AntiAge Spray. I'm going to show you guys the one I use, or the one I bought. I have been using for the past like 3 years. If you already know, tell me in the comment section. Let me wait for you to type it, so that you don't cheat. I type it in the comments. I know you've typed it. Let me tell you guys. It is the Bellstar AntiAge Scalp Spray, guys. This scalp spray. It is so perfect for braids because you know that braids, the longer you have it, the more your scalp would itch. And not everybody likes to wash their hair when their hair is in braids. So this has peppermint essential oil, coconut oil. I'm not even a coconut oil in my hair though, but my scalp doesn't like react to this one. Coconut oil, water, ethanol, menthol, tea tree oil. The tea tree and peppermint oil combo for scalp, it is so soothing. It helps with itchy scalp. If you have itchy scalp, even if you're not doing braids, try this out and come back and tell me, Kachi, thank you. I recommend it to a lot of people. And this is the first thing I use for my scalp when I have braids in any kind of braids, guys. Brazilian wood braids, yarn braids, whatever braids, okay? The next thing you will need, guys, if you want to retain length or grow your hair with braids, because you know that the shedding that comes with braids is unmatched. You carry braids for 2 months. What you will remove from your head when you're done with the 2 months, the shedding is unmatched. And the next thing, guys, is this my DIY by Ukachi Revitalizing Tea Blend. Why? Let me not bore you guys with too much English, but this is the baba for shedding, any form of shedding you're tackling, shedding, whatever color the shedding is, this will tackle it. This has black tea, green tea, rosemary, and henna powder. So you just make it like a regular tea. Tutorial is already like linked here, but make it like a regular tea. The purple label tea. Make it like a regular tea, and once a week or once or twice a week or 3 times, you can even do it every day at your own choice. Just spray it on your scalp and just work it in, and you come back and tell me, Kachi, thank you. This will help to like reduce the amount of shedding you see at the end of your braids life cycle. No cap. I'm going to have like a tutorial later on how to use all these products together. Okay, so this is the revitalizing tea from DIY by Ukachi. It is very essential for braids, guys. It's very essential. Try this. I know you've probably never heard it before, but try it out. I am assuring you, try it out and you will see a great improvement. Okay, so I switched up my hairstyle again because I am here to serve looks. I am here to show you guys what you've not seen before. Okay, look number 3 in one video. 3 looks in one video. Can you top that? Exactly. I know you can't. Okay, the next thing you need, guys, is a scalp oil and an edges oil. Something for your scalp, something for your edges, because getting braids gives you the chance to like help your scalp to act right. You can see your scalp a lot more when you have braids. When I do twists, my twists are never this small, so I don't have access to like this amount of my scalp when I have twists. But with braids, I can see it all. Who felt that rhyme? Who felt that rhyme? It was just in time. You can see it all with braids. So this is the best time to be oiling your scalp be oiling your scalp once a week, twice a week. You can go in with your scalp. I'm using my scalp trigger elixir from AntiAge by Ukachi because why not? This is like my favorite oil. This is my second bottle so far. Since I launched though, this is my second bottle. I'm so heavy-handed with my oils. It is what it is. So this is very nice. This has like 6 herbs and 2 powerful essential oils. It has peppermint essential oil. Remember there's peppermint essential oil in this AntiAge spray. And there's peppermint essential oil here. Peppermint essential oil is very beautiful for your follicles. It goes in, penetrates, and helps it to act right like this. There's rosemary leaf here, hibiscus powder, fenugreek, and a bunch of good stuff. Henna powder. If you want to grow your hair, you want to help your follicles to act right, give this a try. And for my edges, the perimeter of my hair, vary this like these 2 lines. You guys know this side of my hair is the thinnest part of my hair. I've said it on this channel. And this is what I use. My edges trigger elixir. Together, I use this like twice a week, and I use this like twice a week. Anytime I use it, I must use this. Like it's a combo. It's a combo. I've been using this for a while. Forget that it's just here. A little goes a very long way. I apply it around my perimeter of my hair and just massage it in. All that good stuff. You don't want your period of getting braids to be the period you lose your edges, guys. See now, these edges are thriving. They are thriving. They are thriving. Okay, so that's it. So we talked about the tea, AntiAge spray, and the oils. So guys, the next thing you need is a soapless or waterless shampoo. What is that? Kachi, what's a soapless shampoo? Well, it's basically a shampoo that you don't have to wash off. Bust your brain, right? Yes, it's like a shampoo you don't have to wash off. All you need is apply it on your scalp and get a wet towel or cotton wool and just wipe it off your scalp. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all, baby. That's it. That's all. I don't know about you, because I know some people actually like wash their braids, but you almost never catch me washing my braids, like shampooing and doing wash day and conditioning my braids. Never. I don't think I'll ever try. Maybe I'll try with this one, but I don't want the freeze. If I wash my braids today, I'm taking out the braids tomorrow. Tomorrow, I don't like the effect. I don't like the feeling in my hair, so no. So I would rather opt for like a soapless shampoo. I've used one from a brand called Schwarz. I'll have the name on the screen. It's just one weird name, but they're a very popular brand. That Lovely also has theirs. They have a waterless cleanser. It's available in South Africa, I'm very sure, but in Nigeria, not yet. But hopefully mine will come next year. Hopefully it will come next year, so I can do a review for you guys. So if you don't have, or if you cannot get like the waterless cleanser or a soapless shampoo or something like that, you can always try apple cider vinegar and water with cotton wool. All you have to do is mix apple cider vinegar and water, cotton wool, and clean your braids part by part, or clean your scalp part by part. That's it. That's all. That's it. That's all. So if you cannot wash your braids, I think I'm going to do the Dark and Lovely route and the apple cider vinegar route. I'm not doing any other route, guys. I'm not washing these braids. For sure, I'm not washing these braids. For sure, baby. No, I'm not doing that, okay? So we've talked about the scalp products, the teas, the soapless shampoo, the oils, the AntiAge spray. So what of the actual body of the braids? What are we going to do on these babies? What are we going to be applying on these babies? Whew, I got you. So personally, I'm only going to be using one thing. One, ofu, on the body of my braids. I don't want any extra frizz. I don't want to be doing LCO. If you are doing LCO while you have braids, you are sleeping on a moving bicycle. If you are doing LOC when you have braids, you are sleeping on a monocycle or a tricycle. What's that thing? Unicycle. You are sleeping on a moving unicycle. You don't need to be doing all that stuff, guys, because all you're giving yourself to get the chance of having irritated skin, because the butter will just sit on the braids, and when you sleep, it's going to rub on your face and give you acne. I learned that the hard way last year when I got my yarn braids. The oil will just sit on the braids, and when it just give you acne. What you need actually for the body of a braid is just one thing. It's a very lightweight moisturizer. Very lightweight that will penetrate through and get to your actual hair strands. That's all you need. That's it. That's all. Well, or you can even just spritz your hair with water. That's all you need. You don't need anything. You don't need anything else. You LOC, my guy, and braids you get to. It's not anything extra. It's only braids you have. Oh. So calm down. Don't try to do LC, LO. This thing is material. It is material. It does not need this part. It does not need anything. Your hair is not here. You cannot be moisturizing cotton or nylon or fiber. What you need to do is focus and moisturize where your hair might get to. And I said it before, it's a lightweight moisturizer. So I'm going to be using one from Dark and Lovely, guys. This is not an Ado. Just what they gave me, and I love it. They sent me this like 2 or 3 months ago, and I saved it till I got braids. Yeah, it is the Dark and Lovely braid spray rather, for braids and natural styles. Guys, this is all you need for braids. This is all you need for braids. This is all you need for braids. You don't need to I'll save the tutorial for like my tutorial later on, but you don't need anything extra. This is a braid spray. You can use a hair mist from other brands. A lot of other brands offer hair mist. Kui, Zizam, Shani. I'm trying to think of them like from top of my head. Shani. I'm thinking deep guy. I know I've used a lot of Aphrodisiac. I've used like main naturals. Many brands offer hair mist, but me, I'm going to be using this from Dark and Lovely because this is what I have. Okay, so that's all you need for the body. You don't need any other thing extra, because any other extra thing, you're going to irritate your skin. Like now you're doing this braid, you're rubbing on your face, yeah, and you have butter on it, and you're doing LCO, you're rubbing shea butter like this on your face every time because you want to moisturize your braids. Calm down, baby girl. Calm down. So guys, those are the 5 products you need in your braids. What did I say? Let's recap. Teas, the oils, the AntiAge Spray, the soapless shampoo, apple cider vinegar, and water, and the braid spray. Okay, so I have a tutorial on how to do this, like how to do all these products in your hair up sometime later. I don't know the period I'm going to have it up, but later is later. Okay, so subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video up to this point. Thank you for sticking with me all this while. I have served you guys braids back to back, and you guys have been loving it. Thank you guys very much for watching my content. You guys don't know how much it means to me, and I don't always do this in all my videos, but thank you for watching my content. Subscribe to my channel. Don't just watch and go. A lot of effort is put into this content, so don't just watch and just go. Watch, subscribe, notification bell. Wait for the next video. Okay, join the cake gang, join people of the interweb. Thanks for watching my content. I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to faith it till you make it. Bye.
See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up in me, look at the color. If I forget the name, I go use true color. See how she dey stand for corner. If you know man, I go like you to call her. She say she like up in me.